Dear students of class 5A, today I am going to introduce a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Where They Grow. Where They Grow. Lesson number 29. Where They Grow. The topic of this lesson is gardens, trees, forest, etc. etc. Now, which part of now in our life, how do trees play an important role? First of all, we have to understand it. This is the basic concept of this lesson. You know, trees are very useful to us. They give us cool shade, sweet fruits, medicines. They produce oxygen and keep us alive. They take in carbon dioxide, which is harmful to us. They provide us with, wood for buildings, for fuel and furniture. They protect our lands from the erosion of soil. They cause rainfall, which make agriculture possible. In short, we are dependent on trees for our life, food and comfort. Now we are going to discuss about the reasons where they grow and what is the name of the place different types of trees are grown. A place where grapes are grown, what is the name of it? A place where grapes are grown, what is the name of the place? The name of the place is vineyard. Vineyard is the place where grapes are grown. And second one, a place where fruit trees are grown. What is the name of the place where fruit trees are grown? Orchard. Orchard is the name where fruit trees are grown. Fruit trees are grown. And a place where farmers grow crops. A place where farmers grow crops. What is the name of the place? Field. In agricultural fields, farmers grow crops. They cultivate crops, and trees provides, cultivate crops, and it make a tree. Trees. Trees cause rainfall. Trees cause rainfall and make our agriculture possible because of the peasants and farmers who remain busy in cultivating crops during harvest. And by this way, it is said that the place where farmers grow crops, the name of this place is field. And next one, a place where young plants are grown. A place where young plants are grown. Nursery. The name of the place is nursery, where young plants are grown. And a place where flowering plants are grown. A place where flowering plants are grown. Flowering plants are grown. Garden. Garden is the place where flowering plants are grown, like rose, daisies, and so many flowering trees are grown in the garden. And next one, a place where trees are grown in cluster. A place where trees are grown in clusters. The name of the place is grove. Grove is the place where trees are grown in clusters. And next one, a place where vegetables and herbs are grown. a place where vegetables and herbs were grown. Vegetables and herbs are grown. What is the name of the place where vegetables and herbs are grown? Kitchen garden. Kitchen garden is the place where vegetables and herbs are grown. Now, next one, large estate. Large estate growing rubber, coffee and tree. Large estate growing rubber, coffee or tree. Rubber, coffee or tree. What is the name of the place or large estate? The name of the large estate is plantation. Large estate growing rubber, coffee or tree. Plantation. And next one, a building made of glass. A building made of glass where plants are grown. A building made of glass where plants are grown. The name of the building is greenhouse. Greenhouse is the building made of glass where plants are grown. Greenhouse is a building made of glass where plants are grown. And next one, a place where plants and trees grow of their own. A place where plants and trees grow of their own. The name of the place is forest. Forest is the place where plants and trees grow of their own. Here and there, different types of trees are grown. There is none to look after it, but automatically it grows. Different types of trees, different types of plants are grown there in the forest, and there is no one is there to look after it. But nowadays, and afterwards, when the British government came to India, not nowadays, when the British government was ruling our country, when the British just formed their government in our country, from that time, forest came under their control, and Forest Act also was passed in the parliament, according to which forests came under the government's control, and pasture of cattle also were restricted, declared illegal. Allowing cattle in order by the pastoralists also were allowed illegal, and many big forests also were walled up in order to protect different types of trees from other people who usually takes advantages of it. So now the Forests Act also is passed, and Forest Department office also is there, ministry also is there in order to protect forests. And in forest, various types of animals are seen. So that's why Forest Act also was passed, and at the same time another act also is passed in order to stop killing of wild beasts by the hunters. And that's why it is said that forest is a place where plants, trees grow of their own. But nowadays, various programs are being taken in order to protect the trees of forests. Now the days are gone. The days are gone. Nowadays, forests came under Forest Act, and Forest Department office also is there. The ministry also is there. Forest Minister also is there to look after the all-round development of the forest and the areas where different types of trees are grown and are found. And not only that, in order to protect the lives of animals, usually who live in the forests, to protect their lives from being killed by the hunters, Forest Act also is passed, and killing animals also is restricted, also is restricted and declared illegal. And now another one that is very important for us, that is out of it, All things which are answered here, you have to keep in your mind. We have to keep it in our mind because this type of questions may come and you have to write correct answer. What is this? A place where flowering plants are grown, it is garden. A place where grapes are grown, vineyard. A place where fruit trees are grown, orchard. A place where farmers grow crops, field. A place where young plants are grown, nursery. And a place where trees are grown in clusters, grove. A place where vegetables and herbs are grown, kitchen garden. Vegetable and herbs are grown, kitchen garden. And a building made of glass where plants are grown. This is greenhouse. And large estate growing rubber, coffee and tree plantation. Large forest where various types of trees are grown. That is forest, a place where plants and trees grow of their own. It is known as forest. A building made of glass where plants are grown, greenhouse. So these are the questions and its answer. You have to keep it. You have to learn it properly. Wherever questions are asked, you have to answer. Whenever you are asked this type of questions, immediately you have to answer. Before I ask this question, you must get yourself ready to answer the questions. Now, once again, for your better understanding, I am asking you questions, and at the same time, I shall answer you. You keep it in your mind. And you also be with me with your book by opening at page 39. Lesson number 29, where they grow. A place where grapes are grown, vineyard. A place where fruit trees are grown, orchard. A place where farmers grow crops, field. A place where young plants are grown, nursery. A place where flowering plants are grown, garden. A place where trees are grown in cluster, grove. A place, where vegetables and herbs are grown, kitchen garden. And large estate growing rubber, coffee and tree, plantation. A building made of glass where plants are grown, greenhouse. A place where plants and trees grow of their own, forest. So these are the answer of these questions, and you have to keep it in your mind. You have to learn it properly. Wherever questions will be required to be asked, you have to answer prominently and quickly, as quick as possible. And apart from this, another point, that is, how many things are available from trees? How many things usually trees give us? Trees give us cool shade, as I taught you earlier. Trees give us medicines. Trees give us, sweet fruits. Trees give us vegetables, crops. Trees give us, trees give us rainfall. Rain, it causes rain. Trees cause rain, and peasants and farmers cultivate crops. They plow their lands and cultivate crops and produce many types of crops from their agricultural lands. Trees protect the land from being deteriorated by soil erosion. It protects the lands and avoids soil erosion. Trees also give us various types of medicines, means herbs. From herbs, medicines are produced, So by this way, trees protect the lives of the people. And apart from this, in a nutshell, we can say that we are dependent on trees for our life, for our food, and for our comfort. And So this is the subject matter of this lesson, my dear students. You must keep it in your mind. Thank you.